Hello friends, welcome back to this new video. Today's topic is how to create an infographics from Google Sheets data. As you can see in the screen here, I have already created this infographics on home appliance sales performance based on this Google Sheets data. Here you can see in this Google spreadsheet, I have this home appliance sales for the month of April 2026. This is the data. Based on this data source, I have created this infographics which shows the sales performance as an infographics. Here you can see coffee makers lead in total revenue, electric kettle achieve highest sales volume, refrigerators maintain high unit value. Similarly, here you can see other performance indicators as an infographics. So here I'll show you how we can make this type of infographics from the data. Let's get started. First of all, open the internet browser. Let me click on the start button, then open this Google Chrome. In the address bar, put notebooklm.google.com. To use this Notebook LM, you have to be logged in into your Google ID, and you should be logged in from the same ID where you have this sales data spreadsheet. Here in the Notebook LM, click on this Create New button. Here in this Drop Your File section, click on this Drive option. Here you can see the sales data spreadsheet is given in the Recent tab. If not in the Recent tab, you can search for other spreadsheets by going to this My Drive section. Then open the folder in which you have the spreadsheet. In my case, the spreadsheet is given in the Recent tab, so I can select it from here. So click on this sales data spreadsheet, then click on Insert. Here you can see the sales data spreadsheets has been inserted in the source section. In the mid part, you can see the chat section where you can ask any question regarding this sales data. Here in this Ask a Question, you can ask any question, then Notebook LM will instantly give you the answer. Here in the right side, you can see the Studio section, and here you can see the Infographics option. To create the infographics from the sales data, click on this Infographics option. It has started the process of generating infographic. Wait until the process gets finished. Here you can see the infographics is created. You can click on these three dots, then download these infographics. Let me click on download. The download has finished. Open the folder. Double click on this infographics. And here you can see the infographics is created. April 2026 home appliance sales performance snapshot. Here you can see coffee makers lead in total revenue, where you can see the total revenue of the coffee maker. Electric kettle achieves highest sales volume. Refrigerators maintain high unit value. So here you can see different KPIs of the sales data is displayed in the infographics. So this is how you can easily create the infographics from the data in Google Sheets. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in another tutorial.